Namanya berapa kita orang spend ini dapat rating. Ada, tapi ada korupsi. Pengalaman tak korupsi, korupsi. Ada matik.
Ito.
Karap ka na? Atit भाई भाई मेरे चाय के पैसे दे दिया भैया
Airbag must be okay. Yeah. So we must be initialize the parking guidelines. At this one, system initializing, push the question mark, then turn the steering end to end. Okay. Done. Initialize it. How do you know if the steering wheel is not at the center point? You must see this one. Okay. If you turn to the right, this one is the yellow line. It's moving to the right and moving to the left. So this is the center position. Must be center position. Okay, that's it. That's enough. Okay, we finished.